deal with the society, and by maintaining social distance and using mask, using sanitizer to protect yourself, and don't give shake hand, and at the same time keep distance, and you must maintain 6 feet away from your friends, and through that only you can protect yourself. This my sincere advice to every child, and stay home, stay safe. This is the clear state, and every inhabitant of the society should know this. And our warriors, they are in the front line warriors who are working hard for the sake of us. We should know we bow down before them. Through that we maintain stay home, stay safe. So now I would like to start the very important lesson, that is Joan of Arc. Joan of Arc, born in 1412 as a French peasant girl who claimed that the voice of saints had told her she was called on by God to aid her country. So Joan of Arc, she was a great warrior, great heroine of France. So she was born on 1412, and she came from a small farmer's family. So at the same time, when she was working in the field, she heard a voice of the God. And what was the voice of the God? The God asked her to work for the country and to survive the country from the Britishers. This is the view of that. So this French national heroine took to the field of battle during the 100 Years of War 1337 to 1453. At the time, the desperate French army had suffered a number of losses to the English, but Joan brought renewed confidence by lifting the siege of Orleans in 9 days and taking back the city of Reims. She was soon captured by the English people. So she was a national heroine who fought against the Britishers bravely, and at the same time she made a history and defeated the English people within 9 days. She take back, she had already taken back from the Britishers the and Reims, thus the city of the Reims, and also the uh, siege of Orleans. These are the very important places which were taken by French army with the aid of Joan of Arc. And after that, she was captured. She became the um, she became a prisoner of the English people. So within a short while, she was captured by she was caught by the English people, and Joan of Arc, who had been caught by the Britishers in the war, was imprisoned and presented before the court. So she was caught by the Britishers. Who was caught by the Britishers? Joan of Arc was caught by the Britishers. Within 9 days, she defeated English people, and she captured everything um, which were lost by the French people. And at the same, there is a very important factor you should know this. What is that? The fact is they lost their confidence. They became desperate. Just like they came to know, they were frustrated. So that's why they didn't want to empower among themselves. So she built up confidence among the people of the French army, and through that everyone participated in the war felt very happy after joining uh, after joining these two important cities, city of Reims and the uh, what is that, siege of Orleans. So that's why uh, they they were more confident. At the time she was captured by the English people and she was imprisoned, and this is the time she was presented in front of the court. Rhine, 30th May 1431, a great stone hall in the castle arranged for a trial at law. There are two raised chairs side by side for the bishop and the inquisitor as judges. So at the same time, this trial was took place in the name of the city we had given here, that is Rennes. This was the name of the city, and the date also he had given here, that is 30th May and 1431, and that was a fort, a great fort that is in ruin, and also there was a two raised chairs at the top of the area, and other chairs also used for the judges looking down the great hall for the middle of the inner end, the judicial chairs and scribes table for to the right, the prisoner's stool to the left. There are arched doors right and left. It is a fine sunshiny May morning. So that was in the month of May, and everyone is ready to face the trouble, uh, and uh, and they was ready to give a trial, and this was the time of conducting the trial against Joan of Arc, because she was prisoners to the Britishers. And here you see, and every chair arranged, and they arranged a stool for a prisoner who was imprisoned and caught by the Britishers. So now the inquisitor, let the accused be brought in. So inquisitor asked the police person and others to bring Joan of Arc into the court. The accused let her to brought in, and let me know there is the another person who is calling. Here is like that. The accused. He called them in this way. So Joan of Arc must be presented in front of the court. Then John, chained by the ankles, is brought in through the arched door behind the prisoner's stool by a guard of English soldiers. With them is the executioner and his assistants. So there was a English soldiers who brought her into the court. So there is a very important person who played vital role to bring Joan of Arc into the court. That is none other than Mr. Executioner, and his assistants also there to bring Joan of Arc into the court hall. They lead her to the prisoner's stool, and they place themselves behind it after taking her chain, and she wears a page's black suit. So at the same time, what had happened here? After bringing her to the stool, and he had already taken off all chains, and she left her freely. Inquisitor asked, "Sit down, John. Why look very pale today? Are you not well?" So the judge asked Joan of Arc, "Sit down, Joan of Arc. How are you? Are you okay now? I think you are looking very pale today." That means he asked her. Her face was not good then. She had a faded face. She was not good. So that is the view. That's the view. That's why. And she was in black dress. She was in black dress, and he asked, "How are you? Are you well today? I think you are not well because you are looking so ill." Thus the view of the judge. John, thank you. I am well enough. But the bishop sent me some cough and it made me ill. So at the same time, it's a very bad state. He is not doing well. He did against me. He did everything against me. That's the problem. And that's only the main cause why I became ill. I'm not well today. You are right. I'm sorry. I told them to see that it was fresh. So at the same time, he asked, Mr. Cochin asked us to arrange everything fresh one and which might be very nice. You meant to be good to me. I know, but it is a fish that does not agree with me. The English thought you are trying to poison me. So at the same time, they are not doing well. They are they are doing against me, which is not good for me. They are always they are trying to poison me, to make me kill. This is the view of your Solius, your ideology. And what? No, my lord. So he appealed. It's not right. It's not right. They are determined that I shall burn as a witch. They thought that I'm a witch. They thought that I'm witch. Actually, I'm not witch. They would like to burn me. They'd like to burn me. This is the view of your Solius. They sent their doctor to cure me, but he was forbidden to bleed me because the silly people believe that a witchery leaves her if she is bled. So, what's the view? They are not good at me. They are always on me. They are trying to make me to bleed the blood. That's the view of Eosolius. So he only called me filthy names. So I can't hear the names which were called by Eosolius. That made me very unhappy. They are abusing words which were used by Eosolius. That made me very unhappy. I'm not a witch. You should know that. That's the view of Joan of Arc. Why do you leave me in the hands of the English? Why should I be in the hands of the church? And why must I be chained by the feet of the log of wood? Are you afraid I'll fly away? So why do you worry about me? I can't understand. I can't understand. Why don't you take me, hand over me to the church? I can't bear the views and ideas of the English soldiers. They are not doing well. They are doing everything against me. I can't bear this, which is unbearable to me. Please hand over me to the church. And at the same time, why do you chain me? I can't understand. You are present me. Unbearable state of my mind you are observing in me. Are you afraid of me? I can't go anywhere. Why don't you leave me? So you are chained me, which is unbearable to me. This is the view of Joan of Arc. Harshly, woman, it's not for you to question the court. It's for us to question you. Mr. De West asked us, hey, Miss Woman, why are you asking questions to us? You don't have any right to question me. I should know that. And you don't have any right to question us. Do you know? You have to answer our questions. The thing is in your hands. You should know that. Why do you forget that? I can't understand. Your view is not good. You have to answer my question. So don't underestimate us. This is the view of Devest. When you are left unchained, did you not try to escape by jumping from a tower 60 feet high? If you cannot fly like a witch, how is that? How is it that you are still alive? So how can we believe you? When you are unchained, you are jumping from a 60 feet high. How did you jump from the 60 feet tower? We can't understand. How did you alive? No way to alive. This is the view of us. So you have, you are enchanting the magic words. That's the view of you. How can we believe you? How can we leave you? How can we unchain you? Do you know that? How can we believe you? Your ideology is not good. I think you are witch. How can you alive? You are jumping from a 60 feet height. Is it a easy task to jump from there? Is it a easy task to alive from jumping from 60 feet? How do you alive? We can't understand. That's why only you are chained by us. I suppose because the tower was not high, so high then. It has grown higher every day since you began to asking me questions about it. So you are asking me questions from several days. I don't know what is the height of the tower. How can I make you understand? When I was jumping from there, that's not so height. Now the height of the tower is very high. Why did you jump from the tower? So he asked a question. Why did you jump from the tower? You have to answer our question. It's nothing but you have to escape from us. That's only the main cause why you are jumping from the tower. How do you know that I jumped? You are found lying in the mud. Why did you leave the tower? So we find you the mud. There's a digging a ground area. There we find you. How can we believe you? There's any way to believe you? How did you come from the tower? Why you are in this mud? What's the main cause? You have to answer our questions. Simply you are saying easily and you have to escape from there. Why would anybody leave a prison if they could get out? So everyone should get an opportunity to go away from the prison. This is the right choice. If I get a chance, why I lose that? Am I not on a good position or not? Why do you pose a question as? It's not right ideology. You have to change it. You try to escape. Mr. Davis asked us, yes, you try to escape from there. That's only the main cause why you are chained by us. This is only the main cause. You try to escape from us. Of course, I did. And not for the first time either. If you leave the door of the cage open, the bird will fly out. Yes. You give me an opportunity to go away. Why I lose that chance? If I get an opportunity, it's the right time to use that. It's a good choice to me. Why I lose that? Just like if you open the gate of the cage, if the bird fly away or not, don't you know that? If you open the gate of the cage, do you able to stop any animal or any bird or anything else? So in the similar way, I did the similar thing. I have to go away. That is a confession of heresy. I call the attention of the court to it. I call the attention of the court to it. Hersey calls it. Yes, you are you are a magician, you are witch. You are using your witch powers to escape from there. That's only the clear state. And at the same time, that's why to stop your heretic, and by using that you have to escape, you have to enchanting the magical words, and you have to run away from us. That's only the main cause why you are imprisoned, why you are chained. So that's the clear view, and tomorrow we shall continue our lesson, and up to 130 pages